Hey guys, this is Daddy O from the O family. We do reviews, challenges, vlogs, and all kinds of fun family adventures.
Is that so?
And today we got another awesome e-bike review for you. This one's extra special. It's from DYU. They were actually the first e-bike company to ever reach out to us about a year ago. What's up guys? And that video pretty much kicked off our whole e-bike journey. Since then, we've tested all kinds of e-bikes and scooters. But today, we are circling back to where it all started. DYU just sent us their newest model, the M20.
Whoa.
From the looks of it, this thing has that sleek moped-style design with some serious power under the hood. I can't wait to unbox it, show you what it's got, and see how it performs in the real world. Let's get into it. Alright guys, as usual, gotta cut the box open. Let's see, that was easy. Pop it up. Alright, and this is what it looks like inside the box.
Nice.
Now, after opening the box, take a look at this. The DYU M20 really stands out right away with that sleek design. You've got this beautiful brown seat that gives it that moped vibe, and the color, it's like an iridescent silver, shifting tones depending on the light. Super clean look. Inside the box, we've got the front wheel, front fender, and this smaller accessory box that includes the headlight, charger, left and right pedals, and a small toolkit with the instruction manual, and even a few DYU stickers. Alright, let's go ahead and get this bike put together and see how it all comes together. Alright, time to put the DYU M20 together. I started looking through the instruction manual, but honestly it wasn't super clear. Luckily, I've put together a few e-bikes before, so I'm just going to wing it. First up, the rear shock. You'll need to unscrew the bolts, line up the shock, and then tighten it securely in place. Next, we'll move on to the front wheel. I like to flip the bike upside down, it just makes it easier to install. Remove the metal bar from the fork. Don't forget to take off the small brake guard clip, then slide in the front wheel, align the brake rotor, and tighten down the nuts and bolts nice and snug. Now flip the bike back over and attach the handlebar. Loosen the top latch, slide the bar into place, line it up straight, and then retighten the latch to lock it in. Once that's set, loosen the bracket screws so you can mount the LCD screen, position it where you like it, and tighten it back up. Then adjust the front headlight, or slide the metal bar over, line it up, screw it in, and don't forget to plug in the headlight wire. After that, install the front fender, but make sure it's not sitting too low. You want to leave enough clearance so it doesn't rub against the tire. Now for the pedals, the right side tightens clockwise and the left side tightens counterclockwise. Before wrapping up, check your tire pressure. These tires are rated for up to about 20 psi. And lastly, make sure you plug in the rear taillight wire so everything lights up properly. And that's it. Everything's assembled, tightened, and ready to roll. Alright, here's the DYU M20 all put together, and I have to say this thing looks amazing. Starting from the bottom, check out these 20-inch fat tires. They're wide, grippy, and built for all-terrain use. Whether you're cruising on pavement, gravel, or light trails, they add a ton of comfort and stability to your ride. Moving in closer, you've got hydraulic disc brakes on both the front and rear wheels. They're paired with 160mm rotors, giving you smooth and responsive braking performance when you need it most. You can really see the quality of the setup when you zoom in on the calipers and discs. It's a solid build. Around the back, there's a 750-watt rear hub motor that can peak up to 1,500 watts, delivering plenty of torque for hill climbs and quick acceleration. It's powerful but still feels controlled, the kind of balance that's great for city commuting or weekend rides. The drivetrain features a Shimano 7-speed gear system, which is perfect for adjusting your cadence whether you're pedaling on flat roads or taking on inclines. Up front, The M20 is equipped with a bright LED headlight built right into the frame, ideal for those evening rides, and a rear taillight that doubles as a brake light for extra visibility and safety. On the handlebars, you've got a clean, easy-to-use cockpit setup, the throttle, gear shifter, and this LCD display that shows your speed, battery level, trip distance, and pedal assist mode. It's bright, easy to read, and keeps all the key info right in front of you. And finally, that brown leather style seat ties the whole design together. It gives the bike that sleek, moped-inspired look, modern but with a classic vibe. Overall, the DYU M20 feels like a well-built, thoughtfully designed e-bike that combines style, comfort, and power. Everything fits together nicely, and it's definitely ready for the road.
Alright guys, so everything put together. Here are a few buttons on the left side. You guys can see there's a power button here. You hold up for a few seconds and the screen turns on. You guys can set your code if you want to, or they do give you 2 NFC cards. Put it right next to the screen and it turns on. Nice. And right now it shows your speed, kilometer, and it shows the odometer. Short press the M button, it shows the trip, shows the voltage, the time you've been riding. And right now this is a pedal assist, it's in 1. Obviously it goes all the way up to, I guess this goes up to 4 is the highest. And here's the battery power. So right now it's at 79%. I am wondering if I can change the kilometer to miles per hour. Let's see. Usually it's a plus and minus button. Oh, that's the brightness. Okay, there we go. Now it's the miles per hour. So now it shows miles per hour. Yeah, so you hold the plus and minus button. It goes to more advanced setting. You can change it. And I don't think it explains in the instruction here what's all the P1s. Yeah, it doesn't say what the P's for, but anyways. And they do have the horn. Pretty loud. And here's the typical manual 7-shift Shimano gear. It is a twist throttle on the right side, and if you press the minus button for a few seconds, it's a walk assist, as you can see right here on the screen. That's the walk assist. All right, that's pretty much it. I do love this screen here, nice and bright, and let's take this out for a spin. Okay, right now I'm on pedal assist 1. Let's see how fast this is gonna go. Using the paddle, it is pretty quick, responsive. Going about 9 miles per hour. That's for the pedal assist 1. Let me go ahead and do a pedal assist 2 or feel the kick. Right away, I'm going about 15.6 miles per hour, 15.6, and it's pretty much stops right there. And the brake, it's a small rotor, so it's good, but it's not as good as a 180 or those big 200 millimeter rotors. So it does stop, but it's not as instant. Let me try pedal assist 3 now. Okay, now I'm going about 20 exactly. Pedal assist 3, 20 miles per hour. Now I'm going to try pedal assist 4. Ooh, it is a little windy today, a little chilly. Going about 20, 21, 22.6, 23, 24, 27, 28, 29, 30, 32. Wow. It went higher than I expected. It says the top speed is at 28, but I went up to 32. Right now, lightly paddling is 29 miles per hour, 30, 31, 32, 32.
No way.
Woo. Okay. Now I'm going to try the twist throttle. I'm sure that's gonna go up to 20 miles per hour.
You sure about that?
Let's see. It's a little bit downhill here. It's 21, 23, 24, 25, 6, 8, 30.
Whoa.
Wow. Even with the twist throttle, it's going up to 27. I went up to 30. That's pretty fast. I mean, they said the 1500 watt peak motor, and then if you hold for, said 8 seconds, let me see, the cruise control should kick in. Yep, the cruise control is on right now. Just cruising. All right. Let's see. This is full suspension. You know what that means. Gotta test out the bumps here. A little rough terrain. It did rain a couple days ago, so it's gonna be a little wet. So I'm not gonna go too fast. So let me loosen up this compression. There we go. Pedal assist 3. Oh yeah. It's very smooth. Ride feels comfortable. As you guys can see, it's bouncy. Sturdy. Going up the hill. Little struggle, not too bad. This is fun. I mean, for the price point, it's got everything you need. Full suspension, great power. It's got all the bells and whistles. See, going up the hill. Ah. Oh yeah. Going to test out the brake. See how it does. All right, here we go. It's good, it's decent. Alright guys, just like any other e-bike, not everything's perfect, but honestly for the price point, this one comes very close. Let's start with a few cons, and I'm really nitpicking here. 1, it doesn't have turn signals, which would have been a nice safety feature, especially for nighttime or street riding. 2, the instruction manual isn't the most straightforward. If you are first time e-bike owner, the assembly process could feel a little confusing at first. Some clear, more detailed visuals would definitely help. 3, and while the 160mm rotors get the job done, I do think slightly larger rotors would have added even more braking power for a bike with this much torque. Now onto the pros, and there's a lot to like here. 1, first of the price. Right now it retails for $13.99, but it's currently on sale for only $8.99.
That's crazy.
Which makes this bike extremely budget friendly and a great option for first time e-bikers.
That's great.
2, for that price, you're getting a lot of value. A bright LCD display, loud horn button, walk assist, cruise control, a powerful 750 watt motor, 1500 watt peak motor, full suspension, bright headlight, and an impressively comfortable ride. Overall, the DYU M20 packed a ton of features, great performance, and solid design into a really affordable package. It's just a fun bike to ride. Big thanks again to DYU for sending this out for review. If you are thinking about picking one up, you can use our exclusive 12% off discount code DYU M20 on their website. I'll drop the link below in the description so you guys can check it out. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss future adventures. Until next time, bye guys.